Hi Swati, how are you?
I am all good.
So we just want to know how was your overall experience with TuningLives Science Experiment Kits?
So, my son has been with Tuning Lives for about a year now, and what I have felt about the overall experience, it is great in terms of learning science through experiments. We all talk about learning by doing, learning by experimentation, experiencing, and if all those things we could get through Tuning Lives, very well structured experiments, uh, nicely made kits which had all labels on all the products, so that children also know which chemicals are they using, what are the things that they are working with. Even the beaker is labeled as beaker, which I really appreciate. And then how the experiments are conducted in a very friendly manner and a child age sensitive manner, I would say. So these 12 months have been really amazing. And I can see that my son has started knowing some of the names of the chemicals, which I did not expect him to. He's in fourth grade, but they are doing experiments of class 6, 7, 8, and above. But they are taught in an age appropriate manner, which I really like. So I think total thumbs up to Tuning Lives, the way they have incorporated science in the daily lives of the children. I think it's really amazing.